Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and today is Tuesday, April 28th, and I am here for your rundown on math. So we're looking good with this adding, subtracting fractions thing. We're going to take it just a little bit one step further and add in some mixed numbers. The steps don't actually change, so please be very careful. Don't think that, oh, I have a mixed number and so now I need to freak out. Don't freak out, guys. It's just a whole number that you're putting in front of those fractions, and those are easily dealt with, okay? But this is an excellent day. If you have not already started utilizing Teams, please start utilizing Teams today. This would be a perfect time to call your teacher and ask her to help you walk through some of those problems. All right, so the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to watch both of these videos, and you are watching both because one is for adding and one is for subtracting. And you do need to be very careful about the subtracting ones because occasionally, and I don't know if it's going to show that in the video, but occasionally you are going to have to rename and or borrow. So very important that you are watching both videos, one for adding, one subtracting. Okay, then you're going to come over here. It does say choose one, but if you'll notice, this one down here is Spanish, so you're not actually choosing one. You're really just doing this one. Okay, there is not choose one because they're the same, only this one is in Spanish. So you are picking this one here. And again, it's just like yesterday. You're only going to pick a few. You do not need to do them all. Please don't stress yourself out, guys. It is not necessary. You're going to click on that, pop that open in a new tab. And again, as always, you can download it and open it up in a new tab. Totally not necessary. You just work right off of the screen, or you can print it out. Again, totally not necessary. You can work right off of the screen. If you do by chance happen to print it out, well, it's either way, you're still going to have to take a picture of it. All right, so you're going to, this are step-by-step directions. See, it talks about estimating first, but here, the adding and then adding the whole numbers at the end, okay? And then you have some sample problems here. And I would go to the end, and I would work on these problems here, okay? And you even have some word problems if you wanted to get that far. But I would do, I would go to the meat of the problem. And so I would do, I would go this way. Because if you go this way, it's only adding. But if you go this way, you have 2 add and you have 2 subtract. And that's it. 4 problems, I think you should be good. You could do a 5th one if you wanted, like one of these word problems. That's fine. If you want to work through all this stuff, I mean, these are all problems that you could work through. But guys, it's going to take you a long time and it's going to stress you out. So please, we don't want you to be stressed out. It's not that... It's definitely not worth the frustration. So I would do these 4 right here, or you could go in the middle row. I mean, you don't have to do those exact 4, but I would mix up the adding and the subtracting. I would do about 4 of these and then maybe one of these word problems. Okay. And then that's it for that assignment. Okay. So then over here, oh, and then that's it for here. So these are the one numbers if you want to try those. Okay. Then you're going to come back into your Schoology tab, and by the way, make sure you open up the anchor chart again today. I did put it in Tuesdays as well, so you have it in Tuesdays folder as well. So open up those anchor charts to help guide you through that step-by-step process. If you need to go back and watch the video again, or if you need to go back and watch yesterday's video again, or if you need to call your teacher, this is an excellent time to call your teacher and say, hey, Miss Carr, I'm truly not understand. Hey, Miss Heaton, I'm just having so many problems. I am stuck. I don't know what to do. I'm so frustrated. Don't get frustrated, guys. We're here for you. Okay. So utilize your Teams, this week. And if you don't know how to get to Teams, then you need to check out the How to Get to Teams video. I have that. It's at the front of your course on both your math and your science course. There's a How to Get to Email and Teams video if you don't know how to do that. So check that out. All right. So then after you've done these couple of problems, remember we were doing 4 here, then you're going to come back. Oh, don't forget to check your answers. Answer key, right? After you've done the problem, please don't cheat and look ahead of time. And then once you do check your answers, please make sure you're going back and making corrections. Don't just say, oh, I got it wrong, and then move on, because that doesn't help you at all. So please make sure you're going back to find your mistake. And if you can't find your mistake, hey, guess what? Call me in Teams. Okay. And then you're going to click on that Schoology button and answer that discussion post. Please, please, please make sure you're answering the discussion post. That's how we're looking to see how you're doing. Okay. Don't forget to take a picture of your assignment. I didn't say that yesterday, but if you have yesterday's assignment too, take a picture of yesterday's and today's assignment, text it in Remind, upload it in your email, message it to your teacher in Schoology. You can message it this way by, yes, loading. You can message it to your teacher this way by adding a file this way, okay? Or you can text it, email, or Remind, or send it in your discussion post. But please make sure you're sharing your work so that your teacher can know either you understand or you don't understand. So you need help or you don't need help. So please, let us help you. So make sure you're sharing your work from yesterday and today with your teacher. Okay, so that is, and then that's it. So, and then don't forget in your discussion post. Oh, don't forget to check back in your discussion post, guys, either later in the afternoon or in the next morning to see how you did, especially with math, guys. I've had to ask quite a few clarification questions. So please make sure you're checking back in case you need to clarify. All right, guys, that's it for today. Y'all take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.